Hi all. So in this video we will learn about how to capture the parent element using XPath using slash double dot sign, right? You can first capture the XPath and you can take its parent using this kind of thing, right? Like slash double dot. Then child using first capture the XPath and slash its children HTML element, right? Then grandchild using XPath, then you can use a double slash and HTML element this way, right? So then we will go with kind of example. The first we will capture the parent, sorry, first we will capture the child using XPath, right? Okay, so this is the example, right? Here you can see that there is a table, right? So we can say it's a kind of student table, right? So I can just right click on that and inspect element. Here you can see that that I have already captured one element. Yeah. So you need to capture that table first, right? That table has an ID called student table, right? I just copy this one and I'm going to capture that table using ID, right? So you can say double slash table, then at ID equal this one, right? So now you capture the ID. Then you can capture the child. The child of that table is table header, right? Table header. So in here what you can do is you can say like slash t head is a HTML element, right? So if you need to capture that child of that t head, still you can say tr, right? Tr, so tr is a child of t head. Okay, so then you can capture that table header using another th, right? So now you can understand how to capture that child of any uh, element, any DOM element, right? Okay, so now you are clear with this part, that child using slash HTML element, right? Okay, then we will go with grandchild using XPath double slash. Here you can see that I have captured th, but th contains 5 th elements. It returns 5 th elements. Yes, there are 5 th elements. So what I need to do is I need to capture that th element which display text says student id, right? I just copy this one and here I can say like text, right? Text equal student id, right? So it's become one of one, right? But here you can see the whole path is there, the table id first capturing the table, then table header, then tr, then th, right? So what I need to do is I just remove this part up to tr, right? Tr and t head. Okay, still it returns one of one. That means this sign says, this double slash sign says uh, it's a grandchild of previously captured XPath. This is the previously captured XPath and this is the grandchild of it, right? So that's the reason why it returns one of one, right? So thereafter we will learn about how to capture the parent using this structure, right? So first I capture that table using ID signature, right? So if I need to capture that section, right? That section specify for that specific student table, right? What you can do is you can say, just simply you can say slash double dot. So slash double dot returns the parent of that first captured DOM element. Hope you can understand this.